This video will demonstrate how to navigate and use the different views available within the Allegro 3D canvas. From the board file, I go to View from menu bar and select 3D Canvas. 3D Canvas filter gets popped up. I choose to select the outer layers, and with respect to objects I select all the objects, and with respect to symbol precedence I selected primary models. I have selected Do Not Show this dialog again to make this as my default settings and click OK to load 3D Canvas. Now I can view my board file in 3D. I can see the top cover is blocking my visibility of seeing the components. So from Symbols menu I scroll down and remove the Step 3D Mech top cover. From menu bar of 3D Canvas I go to View Top and I am making a zoom fit. Let's pan the board file by holding the scroll button and mouse in all the four sides. I use the panning and scrolling up or down to view processor and memory components. I pan across the section which I want to view by holding the scroll button and mouse and scroll up to zoom in to see these components. I want to see another specific section in the board file. I pan and move it to my center in 3D Canvas and scroll up to zoom in. I have pressed 1 to view the top isometric view. Holding the scroll key and mouse and pressing the shift key move your mouse in the direction you want to spin the board file. Now I am going to use the numeric shortcut keys to view the board file. Please ensure numeric lock is on in keyboard. I have pressed numeric 1 from keyboard to view the top isometric and I am pressing numeric 1 again to view the bottom isometric. I have pressed numeric 8 to view the top of the board file and then I pressed numeric 7 to zoom fit. I have pressed numeric 2 to view the bottom side of the board and then I pressed numeric 7 to zoom fit. Again I am going to view the top of the board file by pressing numeric 8 and pressing numeric 7 to zoom fit the board. I am going to view the right side of the board. I have selected some components here to confirm the side view. I have pressed the numeric 6 to view the right side of the board and I scroll up to zoom in to see the clear picture. Again I am going to view the top of the board file by pressing numeric 8 and pressing numeric 7 to zoom fit the board. I have selected a connector in the left side of the board and then I pressed numeric 4 to see the left side along with connector in the board file. I scroll up to zoom in the board file. I am going to view the top of the board file by pressing numeric 8 and pressing numeric 7 to zoom fit the board. I have selected components in south side and I am pressing numeric 5 and scroll up to zoom in. I am going to view the top of the board file by pressing numeric 8 and pressing numeric 7 to zoom fit the board. I have selected the components in the north side of the board and I am pressing the numeric 5 to toggle the front and back to view the selected components. I scroll up to zoom in and pan to view the selected components. By pressing numeric 1 I have selected top isometric view. We had explored the different views and navigation in the board file. This concludes the demonstration on how to navigate and use the different views available within the Allegro 3D canvas.